Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Trello for team workflow strategy detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Trello website. In the top right corner of the home page, locate the login button. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. You will be presented with fields to enter your credentials. Input your email address in the designated email field. Next, enter your password in the password field. If you want the system to remember your login, check the box for Keep Me Logged In. Once you've filled in both fields, click the Log. If your credentials are correct, you will be directed to your Trello dashboard. If you forgot your password, use the Forgot Password link to reset it. Enter your email address in the provided field and follow the instructions emailed to you. Once logged in, explore your boards to review ongoing projects. You can create new boards or join existing team boards from this interface. If you are part of a team, ensure you're in the correct workspace for collaboration. Utilize the navigation menu on the left to switch between boards efficiently. Familiarize yourself with your team's workflow and begin organizing tasks. Engage with your team by assigning cards and adding comments for better collaboration. Remember to regularly check notifications for updates on tasks and projects. That's how to log into Trello and set yourself up for effective team workflow strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.